Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Analytics 4 in a multi-property setup, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Analytics 4 in a multi-property setup, begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin panel located in the lower left corner of the screen. In the admin panel, select the property you want to authenticate. Under the property column, click on Data Streams. Choose the data stream you wish to work with. Scroll down to the Tagging Instructions section. Click on the Measurement Protocol API documentation link for detailed guidance. In a new tab, access the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Ensure you have billing enabled for your project. Navigate to the APIs and Services dashboard. Click on Enable APIs and Services. Search for Google Analytics Data API and enable it. Return to the APIs and Services dashboard. Click on Credentials. Select Create Credentials, then choose Service Account. Fill in the service account name and description. Click Create and Continue. Assign roles to the service account as needed, typically Project Editor. After setting roles, click Done. Locate the created service account and click on it. Under the Keys section, click Add Key and select JSON. Download the JSON file to your computer. Return to your Google Analytics property. Go back to the admin panel and select Property Access Management. Click on the blue plus icon to add users. Enter the service account email from the JSON file. Grant the service account editor or viewer access, depending on your requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.